Hello again. Good morning, afternoon, evening, whichever time you are watching this video. In my last video, I showed that my yard is extremely rocky. I'm going to be planting some potatoes. I'm going to actually try and do those boxes that are up off the ground. A friend gave me some wood, so I've been cutting them up. I'm going to go outside. It's a little windy, so bear with me. As you can tell, I've been cutting them up. I found this board, which has been weathered. That's why there's two different tones. I took all the nails out of it, all the staples. I'm going to cut them in half, and those are going to be my corner posts for these little boxes. And there is my circular saw. Yes, a woman with tools and isn't afraid to use them. Unfortunately, I broke my hand drill. Never knew I could literally break it in half, but I did. So anyway, these parts will all be nailed together. Like I said, I'm going to cut these in half. So there's 4. I'm going to taper the ends so that I can hammer them into the ground. And I'll show you what that looks like when I'm all done with this. Fingers crossed, everyone. I'm not sure if you can hear them, but in that little hole there are baby woodpeckers, and Mom and Dad are flying in and out, feeding them pretty much daily, like all day. It's a dead tree, so can't do much about it. But yeah, I think it's cool. So this is what I did. It's my first little box. Oops, sorry about my thumb. I put in newspaper at the bottom. I put some dirt in. I'm going to be putting, obviously, more dirt in. And then my potatoes. And as the leaves grow, I'm going to add more of the slats to the side so it raises up. I'm also going to add another one over there, and then add a lower piece that stays low in the middle of them and join them. But yeah, so there's my woodworking tool skills. Not the best, but I'm learning. And that's all I can say. I hope everyone is enjoying this. I had fun making it. And we'll see how everything goes.